Hi guys, we are this time on Sway, and Sway is being left behind a little bit. When most of the time we've been on Wayfire. Then people said, Eric, all these way bars, great, why not on Hyperland? Done that this afternoon. So we have Hyperland and Wayfire, lots of way bars, and here there is nothing. So the Sway will remain very slim and very sleek, just the one way bar. But the things the others got, this one has also. That means if you win a remove, that's one thing. So if you have the ISO, we're going away from bashtop and we are inviting btop, basically, right? So the successor. Btop looks like this, but we've done something to it. It looks nice coloring. It's not the default coloring, which is also nice actually, but we've done a sudo pacman. I've recreated a new package called arcolinux-btop. When you install that one, it's of course in the etc. You know by now, you need to have a look what's in here. In here is the btop. Control-C, Eric, config, that one. This is where it's all happens, right? It's in your .config, not in the etc. This is for ISO builders. Anything you put in here, any new user that you now create or will create with Calamars is going to get this. So that's why it's always in there. So, okay, we've got a btop configuration, and hence that's new. Ctrl-Shift-Escape was already there, but I was looking for another key binding, and Ctrl-Alt-End is also working. So if you want to keep track of your CPU, how hot is becoming, or if it's hard working, or what application is working very hard, OBS, right? OBS Studio. So there's that. There's also the Ctrl-T, which is the blue logo, right? But Alt-Shift-N will use python-pywal. So it gets the wallpaper, which is this one, and it says I'm gonna make the terminal also colorful next to fitting to the theme of the wallpaper. Ctrl-Shift-N, let's do another one. So that's the variety, it has to be their variety, and then done. So it picks a color from the wallpaper and it says I'm gonna apply it to the terminal. And that happens to, this is Alacrity, and what is this? This is Kitty. So Alt-Shift-N, and there you go, right? Whatever terminal you like. This application python-pywal, so if you, or an Arch, not on ArcoLinux, or anything else, right? Anything ArcoLinux based, it's called python-pywal, and it's with one L. All right, that's it. No changes for the rest. No, that's it. And yeah, I changed some pacman ini things. That's true, but like you've maybe heard on other videos, we want to consolidate the three. So the way things are created and launched and all that should be the same for maintenance sake alone already. And we have also here the scripts that says statusbar. We didn't have it in the past, so we use it on the others. So voila, we're using it here as well. It's working. It kills it, it waits for it, and then it launches it. This works. So we're gonna use this in this way as well. All right, cheers.